Welcome back to the garage. It's been, I would say, probably almost a month since I last did a video. A lot of stuff has been going on, you know, Thanksgiving, all that kind of stuff. Mostly good, so that's good. Yeah, so I have this to share with you guys. Ugly sweaters, available on Bonfire. Yours will come with less husky hair on it. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do today. I have a little bit more cleanup I need to do on this axle before I can kind of put it together. So maybe I'll take care of some of that, but I kind of I'd say like a visual fatigue of looking at like the rust and everything in here. So I was thinking about trying to tackle these floor pans, but to do that, I'm going to have to take the other Mustangs out and be able to ventilate things a little bit better than I have them now. And it is kind of cold out, so a little bit worried about that. Yeah, so let's get started and get something done. Tool pulling these bearings. It hooks in behind, and this goes on. Tighten this down, and then the slide hammer hooks right up to that. Right tool for the job. This tool is worth its weight in gold. don't know if this is going to come out or not, but this is the reason why you want to clean this out so well. If you look at this, I found this little sliver of metal. Let's see if we focus. That would have caused a problem. Also, you'll probably want to come in here, and this is the magnetic plug. You want to just kind of clean the back side of this off. You should probably take the thing out, but you'll notice that I've already kind of done it, but there's some kind of metallic flakes and stuff on there. You want this to be as clean as possible. This doesn't look that great, so I'm going to hit it with another can, and then I'm going to hit it all with some WD-40 to keep it from rusting. Because I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get to this anytime soon. Alright, just a quick layer of WD-40 just to keep it from rusting. Before I end up actually putting this thing back together, I'm going to probably hit it one more time with a quick round of brake clean just to get the WD-40 off. Get it together and then close it up. I'm going to use assembly lube or something instead. But stop that. Tools. Alright, why did I take these out? Well, at some point in the future, we are going to have to put the axle back in the car. And, this knife is useless. But this, I hope this is alright, guys. Here it is. Oh, that's a beaut. With bushings, grease and whatnot. This is a JEM Products, hotpart.com. Toolbox. It's installation instructions for the bushings. Pretty nice looking pieces, I must say. What do you guys think? I have to apologize, Sleazy fam, because I feel like I have lied to you. I told you that in the last video would be the last one I'm doing for cleaning up the axle, but it turns out this one is. I hope you will forgive me. I assure you I did want to do more today, but here it is. So, I don't know, what do you guys think? Would you use these fuel lines? Would you use those brake lines? Would you forgive me if I cut them out instead of surgically removing them like I usually do? Yeah, I did change this filter quite a few times. Yeah, so sorry about that. I know I had told you guys last time that I was going to kind of wrap up the cleaning of the axle, but it turns out there was a little bit more work than I thought there would be. But we did get the pinion seals out, the pinion races out, those axle bearings finally came out, and I got to give it a good scrubbing with bra-kleen. I'm all out of bra-kleen now, so I have to buy some more. Yeah, so that said, you guys got to see the new upper control arms. Now at this point there's really nothing left to do except to quit procrastinating and actually do the rear axle rebuild. Yeah, so I'm not sure if I'm going to do it. If I am going to do it, I'm going to get my father-in-law's help because I have no idea what I'm doing. Once that's done, I'll be pumped. This time of year, it's always a little difficult with presents and whatnot. I'm going to try to finish up my holiday episode. It's should be fun. And yeah, so thanks for watching again. I'll see you next time.